Hi, my name is Navida Dolopo and I'm a licensed acupuncturist. This is video number 32. This is our 6th video on natural fertility. Thank you for visiting my site. The name of my business is Elements in Harmony Acupuncture and Chinese Herbs, and I'm happy to have been in practice since June 1999. So today I'm going to post another video on fertility, and these videos are required for any potential patient who would like to work with me specifically in regards to natural fertility. Please do watch the other 5 videos. A lot of the information does overlap, but there is a lot of information in each fertility video that is pertinent to your decision making to make sure that I am the right acupuncturist for you during this journey of attaining natural pregnancy. So here we go. I'm going to be reading from a testimonial, and then I'll give you my 2 cents. Anna is a great healer who has helped me tremendously in the last year. When my husband and I decided to try to have a baby after many years of marriage, I realized that my menstrual cycles were irregular and not conducive to conceiving. After a few unsuccessful months, I decided to try acupuncture to regulate my hormones. I debated between Anna and another practitioner and ultimately chose the latter. Having never had acupuncture, I was nervous about the community setting in which Anna primarily practices. Now I feel silly about this, as I believe that the community setting actually enhances the healing process. I started seeing a different acupuncturist who was very good and became pregnant after 7 months of treatment. Unfortunately, the pregnancy ended in a miscarriage at 9 weeks. I was devastated and decided to seek treatment with Anna. She was extremely kind and compassionate as I wept throughout our first consultation and treatment. After discussing my medical history and previous acupuncture experience, Anna requested that I give her 6 months to a year to work on healing my body from the miscarriage, realigning my chi, and preparing my body for pregnancy. However, she cautioned that I must do exactly as she advised, not only in terms of the acupuncture, but also in the way in which I lived my life. We began treatment mid-September of 2012, and I followed Anna's instructions to the letter. I received acupuncture 2 to 3 times a week, changed my eating to boost my fertility, and engaged in other practices that she recommended. My next menstrual cycle was more regular and with fewer symptoms, depression, cramps, moodiness, heavy flow, than I had ever experienced before. Each month my cycle became more regular, and only 3 cycles later, November, Anna gave me the green light to try to conceive. I did not become pregnant that month. Although disappointed, I wasn't too discouraged because Anna had asserted that it would take at least 6 to 12 months to get my body into shape. The very next month, on New Year's Eve, I learned that I was pregnant. I was elated, pregnant after only 3.5 months of treatment, but also nervous considering my previous miscarriage. I continued to see Anna several times a week in the first 2 trimesters, once every other week during the end of the second and beginning of the 3rd trimesters, and now twice a week as I approach my due date. Throughout, she assured me that my pregnancy was strong, and I have indeed had a wonderful pregnancy. I experienced very little nausea in the first trimester, and I have had none of the typical pregnancy side effects, such as heartburn, constipation, and sinusitis. I've even been sleeping very well. I am now 39.5 weeks pregnant, and Anna is using acupuncture to prepare my body for natural childbirth. In all, I highly recommend Anna. I am very thankful and truly grateful for Anna's healing expertise. She is a kind and intelligent soul who is passionate about her work and who truly cares about her patients. My extended family has seen such a change in me that they now see Anna for their own ailments. Thank you, Anna. JV. So there is another testimonial in regards to fertility. In my practice, I focus on natural fertility. From 1999 until about 2006, 7, 8, I treated any type of fertility. Since then, I made a very strong decision that if anyone wants Western fertility treatments, that is totally fine. I endorse that, but I don't help women with those requests here. I refer them out. If you are someone who is sincerely interested in having your body totally healthy, to be able to conceive on your own naturally, I am the best practitioner for you. I had requested actually from JV 1 to 2 years. People either fall in the 6 to 12 cycle, 12 to 18 cycle, or 2 to 3 year timeline request. I like to under promise and over deliver. The miscarriage unfortunately threw her in the 1 to 2 year, 12 to 18 months. But usually in Chinese medicine, classically we request 1 to 2 years to get the body to reset. Now, it's easier for me to under promise and over deliver. I prefer it that way so that a woman knows in the beginning, I don't have the time, I don't have the patience, nor do I have the financial investment to want to do this. But for the women who understand that there is a root problem, there is a problem there's a deep issue going on, and it needs to be resolved in order to have not just pregnancy, but a full-term pregnancy and a healthy, happy, and vibrant baby. Those are the women who choose me and elect a totally natural fertility route. The other videos are very specific in regards to what I want your period to be like to achieve natural fertility, but I'll just review it very basically here. I want the cycle to be 28 to 32 days, bright red blood cycle for lasting 3 to 5 days. So 20 to 32 day cycle, the duration's 3 to 5 days, bright red blood, no clots, no symptoms, headaches, moodiness, depression, lower back pain, lower abdominal pain, leg cramping, breast tenderness, cravings. Any kind of symptoms before, during, or after will go away. I don't do what's normal. I do what's perfect, because the more perfect I get your period, the healthier you become. And I go more into detail into that respect in the other videos. Again, if there's a miscarriage, it does not really fall in the 6 to 12 cycle request. It falls more in the 12 to 18, or depending on how many miscarriages, it can be 1 to 2 year or 2 to 3 year timeline request. Basically, it's a very big deal if a person has a miscarriage, and I have a track record of most of my patients having had miscarriages, having a full-term pregnancy after about 4 months of working with me. So I would love to work with anyone who's truly serious about getting their bodies totally prepared for a strong, healthy pregnancy. And if this is you, please call me at 949-305-1703. Please do read more of our testimonials on our website at moveyourchi.com. Just go down to fertility and in that area. Also, you can go to blog.moveyourchi.com, and there's more information on fertility and regulating the hormones. So I hope this gives you more information. I'm so grateful to JV and her family for giving me their business, their trust, and investing their time and resources to become healthier at our healing center. Thank you so much, Southern California, for the 14 years that I've been in practice with you. It is a true honor to be part of your community. And if you're in the Laguna Hills area, right off Lake Forest, that's where I'm located. Take care. Thank you so much. Again, the website is moveyourchi.com. Have a great day.